What the hell is that? That thing's alive. That's not a stuffed animal. That's a caterpillar. Yeah, she's cooked. What's going on, everybody? My name is Chris, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Life of Luxury, and it has been so long since I've seen a Life of Luxury video, I cannot wait for today. But hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am, and with all of that being said, let's jump right into it. What the hell is that? What is that?
Can you tell us what's going on with your daughter?
It's this stuffed animal. I don't know where she found.
That thing's alive. That's not a stuffed animal. That's a caterpillar.
Her stuffed animal was eating that food. I think it's alive.
Yeah, I'm good off that.
Have you tried separating her from this stuffed animal?
She will not let me take it away from her.
Yo, it's eating her. It's literally eating her.
Bro, wake up. Do you hear that?
Nah, this is wild. This is wild.
Dude, I think it's Helen.
Is it attacking the mom? Oh yeah, the mom is cooked. The mom is cooked.
She's in here.
Yeah, she's cooked.
For
Bruh.
this episode, we received an email from a mother named Helen who
Okay.
is concerned about her daughter's unhealthy attachment to one of her stuffed animals.
Well, that's not a
Helen
stuffed
isn't
animal, I can
sure
tell you
where
that.
Her daughter found this stuffed animal, but she refuses to be separated from it, and she named it Wiggles.
Yeah,
her
no.
daughter doesn't
Nah.
let the stuffed
Nah.
animal leave
Nah.
her sight, and any attempt the mom has made to separate her from it leads to her screaming hysterically until she's allowed to be with it again.
No.
She's worried her daughter is losing her mind, and she sent us this video for proof.
100% out of her mind.
Honey?
What is she feeding it? Is that raw chicken? Yeah, bro. Yeah, no. It looks like a Teletubby. Raw chicken.
Oh my god.
Now, Helen mentioned that her husband recently went missing, and
Yeah.
she thinks this has caused her daughter to have attachment and
No.
abandonment
What happened
issues. She's
is-
worried for her daughter's mental health, so
What happened is that thing ate the dad. Watch.
she wants us to drive to her house and observe how her daughter behaves when she's alone with Wiggles. Let's go.
Yeah, the dad was eaten, for sure. The dad was eaten, for sure. He's cooked. Buddy's gone.
Why do you want to film this lady's daughter? It's just a stuffed animal.
This isn't about a stuffed animal. This is about a young girl's mental health.
What do you know about mental health? It's your parents' job to worry about that.
Her mom is worried.
That's why she called you guys.
emailed us.
Yeah.
And her dad went missing.
No, he got
Did you ever
eaten.
think maybe her dad went missing for a reason?
Possible.
You don't know what you're talking
It's a
about.
fair point.
Let's just drive there and meet them.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. This dark road thing. I don't know. I'm not driving down a dark road like that. No lights. Nah.
Your destination is on the right.
All right, we're here. Let's go inside
Yeah,
and meet
dude,
them.
bro. The farmhouse,
Alright.
bro. Nah. The house looks creepy.
Okay, let's knock.
Yeah, nah, bro. Nah.
Are you
Lady
Helen?
looks crazy. Close your mouth.
Yeah.
You're gonna catch flies.
I am she.
Can we come in and talk about what's going on?
Yes.
Bro, she's gonna catch flies. She's like this. Close your mouth, bro.
I think my daughter's asleep.
Okay, we'll be quiet. Come on.
Yo, what's good with this lady, bro? Yo, the creeping is freaking me out. What? Yo, what is good with her? I can tell why the husband left.
Okay, Helen. Thank you for sitting down with us. So, can you tell us what's going on with your daughter?
It's this stuffed animal. She's grown so attached to it. I don't know where she found that thing.
You didn't buy it for her?
I think she found it in the basement. She calls him Wiggles.
So, what has she been doing with this stuffed animal?
What do you mean by that?
Everything.
What do you mean by that?
She plays with it. She sleeps with it. I even caught her bathing with it.
Yo, Mr. Wiggles, yo. Wiggles going crazy.
Not. Let me take it away from her.
Have you tried separating her from this stuffed animal?
Yes. But she starts screaming and scratching until I return it. Sometimes at night, it sounds like there's a man in there with her. She locks herself in her room with it all day.
Yo, I was about to say something crazy.
Beginning to think.
I was about to say something
Is
crazy.
someone here?
It's her daughter.
I was gonna say something crazy, but
What is she
I don't know.
She's feeding it again.
Feeding it. What is she looking for right now? Bro. Big ass chicken.
Dude, look how much food she has.
That's the 4th time she's done that today.
She's spending a lot of money on
I
chicken.
want to see what she's doing with that food.
We're still talking here.
Just wait.
Chester.
Chester's cooked, bro. I'm sorry. Chester's cooked.
I think she went into here.
Probably in her room, yeah. Most likely. Bro. It's got a face, bro. It's got a face. She's feeding it raw chicken wings. Yeah, no. That's like a crossbreed between like a caterpillar, a Teletubby, and some deformed human. Bro's munching though. I'm not gonna lie. The mom's clearly about to break. Bro, but she's still got her mouth open. Close your mouth. Oh, Chester's about to get eaten or something. Oh, hell no. No, 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 no.
Hold on. Just wait here.
That thing is fully alive. It's not a stuffed animal.
Chester. What's wrong?
Dude, it's her stuffed animal. She's feeding it.
Well, yeah, we went over that. I thought we knew that already. Bro, it's the smile. Look at the smile
What's
on
the
that thing.
problem? She's sleeping.
Bro, you don't understand. She was feeding it, and it was eating.
Raw chicken.
Dude, she was probably just playing with it. Let's start setting up some cameras.
Yeah.
But bro,
Okay, come on. Okay.
bro, you're not getting it.
No, he's
her
not.
Stuffed animal was eating that food.
Yes, it
I
was.
think it's alive.
It's 100%
Even though you're
alive.
being ridiculous right now, she shouldn't be wasting her mother's food.
What's ridiculous?
Here, help me find a lock.
Facts. Lock that fridge up.
All right, there. Now there's no way she can get in there again.
Unless she's got super strength. She might have super strength.
She's right there.
No, thanks. Thanks. Oh, she's about to tweak.
Why was she peeping at us? I think we upset her.
She's probably just not used to strangers in her house.
Fair?
Let's just go to sleep.
I gotta check something first. I think it's still in here.
Bro's hungry. We know this. Bro is hungry. Oh. Bro, I ain't sleeping in that bed. I'm not sleeping in that bed.
What happened?
The hell was that?
Chester?
Yo, why is he getting so close? Yo, do not get so close. Do not get so close. He's gonna touch it.
Hey! What are you doing in here?
Bro, this thing just moved.
Yeah, Chester, I'd watch your leg.
Come on.
I would watch your leg, bro. You were not trying to end up on the wrong side of that. We go to sleep. Tight shit. Yo, her mouth is open again. Am I the only one that's noticing the fact that her mouth has been open every single scene she's been in? Why is her mouth open? Her mouth is always open. Mom's room, mouth open. Opens the door, mouth open. Sits there and talks, mouth open. Close your mouth. Nah, bro's hungry. Bro's about to feast. Bro's about to feast. The mouth, bro. I can't. Oh yeah, she's cooked. She's fully cooked. She's fully cooked, bro. It's over for her. I'm sorry, but she's toast. It talks?
Now.
Bro. Nah, bro. And they just don't hear nothing. They don't hear nothing. Mouth open still. Mouth open still. Yo. Bro's making some odd noises right now. And somehow they don't hear anything. Bro. Why is her mouth open? I don't understand. Oh yeah, she's toast. Bro's so hungry. This thing's like an anaconda caterpillar. Oh, she's so toast, bro. She's so toast. She's done for. Gone. See you later. Bro's on the prowl. Bro is literally on the prowl. Bro, some of these noises, man, they're a little interesting. Still got her mouth open. Still has her mouth open. Is it walking? Okay, no. It is still crawling. I thought the thing was walking. Nah, bro. Nah. Yo, these sounds are crazy. Of course, Chester's the first one to wake up. Throw the shades on immediately.
Bro, wake up. Do you hear that?
Yeah?
What is that?
Bro's pumping. Yeah.
Come on. We gotta go check on Ellie.
She's done. She's gone already.
No.
I'm with Chester. I'm staying in bed.
Wait up.
Bro, wait. Let's go on the road.
Oh, yeah, she's gone. Her hair's left? Oh, bro. Come on. Come on. The only thing left is her hair?
She's not in here.
Thank you.
Well, where do you think she went?
Don't know, playa. Bro, that looks disgusting. Blech. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, that's so disgusting. Is she laughing in her sleep?
Dude, I think it's Helen.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, she's toast. What are they gonna do? How are they gonna save her? They're not.
She's in here.
Damn, Helen's getting dogged too. It'd be funny if it just burped.
Did that thing get hurt too?
Yep. What the hell? Yo, that thing's actually kind of fast. See ya. Helen and Allie. Gone. Damn, bro. Damn. Since filming, we haven't heard from Helen or her daughter. Yeah, you just watched them get eaten. Went on social media and reached out to some of Helen's family members. Bro, but you just seen them get eaten. They said she had a son that went missing. Ate the whole entire family. The whole entire family. Helen, Allie, the dad, and the brother all packed up by some anaconda caterpillar Teletubby. That shit was crazy. But hopefully you guys did go and enjoy today's video, and if you did, don't forget to smack a like on it. That'd be greatly appreciated. Comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel. And with all of that being said, guys, my name is Chris, and of course, I will catch you guys in the next one.